In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account in UAE. First, make sure you have the Wise app on your mobile device and that you're connected to a stable internet connection. Open the app, and from the home screen, look for the option to register. Tap Register to begin. This starts a simple guided setup that only takes a few minutes if you have access to your email and phone. You'll be asked to enter your email address. Use an email you check regularly since Wise will send a verification message right away. Double check for typos before you proceed. A small mistake here can block you from getting the verification link. When you're ready, continue and then switch over to your email inbox. Open the verification email from Wise and click Confirm. If you don't see it immediately, give it a moment and check your spam or promotions folder. Keep the Wise app open in the background so it can recognize the confirmation when you come back. Once you've clicked Confirm, return to the app and tap Next to move forward. Now you'll choose between a personal account and a business account. Pick personal if you're planning to send or receive money for yourself, like paying friends, family, or services. Choose business if the account will be used on behalf of a company. If you're unsure, think about how you intend to use Wise most of the time. You can always review Wise's guidance in-app if you need more clarity before selecting. Next, you'll be asked to select your country or region so Wise can tailor the experience and comply with local rules. In the search field, type United Arab Emirates or simply UAE and tap it when it appears. This ensures your account is set up correctly for use in the region. Tap Continue and then tap Next to proceed through the on-screen prompts. You'll now enter your phone number. Make sure it's a number you can access on this device since it will be used for security. If your phone's set to a different country code, just see it as being already code adjust it so the UAE code is correct and enter your number carefully. Avoid sharing this number or any verification codes publicly. When everything looks good, tap Send Code. That's it for this setup sequence. Sending the code will trigger a text message to your phone so Wise can confirm it's really you. If there's a short delay, that's normal. Just keep your phone nearby. You're now ready to continue in the app and complete the process with the on-screen guidance.